Every now and then in the digital marketing world, something comes along that is a game changer. We call it the tectonic shift. So I've been certified in Fusionsoft Keep partner for 4 years, and I've tried to implement and help companies automate their digital marketing processes into one platform to help their team gel together for lead generation all the way through to appointment setting and into conversions. I've used so many other different CRMs. I've been a certified Keep partner for 4 years trying to implement these strategies. And what I've found is all of the CRMs can do one thing or they can't do the other. We have APIs connecting into Zapier and all sorts of things. So when I came across this new piece of software, it's called SaaS. We've called it Tectonic because we think it's going to be a tectonic shift in your company. I'm going to show you a couple of things in a sneak preview and an overall demo on the software just in a couple of minutes and show you some comparisons on some pricing. So just if we're going to compare CRMs and how they stack up, let's just use an example of Keep, for example. So as a small business, if you want to add team members or sales reps or VAs or anything into your CRM, you don't want to have to pay an extra $30 a month. If you're doing a lead generation campaign where you're using a lead magnet or something and you get like a couple of thousand extra contacts into your system, you don't want it to jump from $120 up to like $300. So for example, with Keep, it's got a fairly cheap version, $120 a month. The second you start adding users, like if you add 2 users and 1,000 contacts, it jumps to $310. If you add 5,000 contacts, it jumps to $465. And even worse than that, if you are adding like 10,000 contacts and 10 staff, it can quite easily jump up to like $740, which is a lot. And then when we compare all of the features with Tectonic, this new system that I've found that integrates into your website, it does a lot more integrations which come natively into the app, like live chat buttons on your website, two-way SMS, funnel building, reputation management, manage your phone numbers, like there's a whole bunch of stuff. So let's jump into the software and have a quick look. I'm going to do a lot more details on the features of these and how they connect with APIs and into your website. So let's have a quick look. First of all, a lot of the CRMs just don't have this clean, easy to understand dashboard of where all of your leads are sitting in the funnel. So you want to kind of predict the income, how many people are sitting into open opportunities all the way through to either won or closed. And at the end of that month, you want a snapshot that separates all of these details into one portal. So as you can see from the dashboard, it shows you the funnel all the way through, tasks based on your team members, where your lead source reports are coming from. It brings in your Facebook ads, it brings in your Google My Business stats. It can manage through an AI SMS bot your Google reviews, and it sends out the review request based on the positive impact. So that's pretty exciting. You can bring in your Google Analytics for your website, website visitors and where they're coming from. If you're talking to people through Facebook chat, SMS and email, it can get very frustrating. You can't get back to each person. So you can go into the conversations tab and get an understanding of, you can get back to them instantly. This is how the pipeline works. So we're pushing through every step of these pipelines have an automated sequence. So new leads, they get emails, they get texts, they get a calendar booking form. So you don't need appointment call, Calendly, nothing. This is all built into the system. And then we're pushing them through from new lead into hot lead, into appointment booked, send quote, won, lost. This is amazing because you can actually click on that and find out all the details on the lead. You click through the lead. Got email marketing campaigns, form builders, survey builders. You've even got a website builder in here, full detailed reporting. We can check the scheduling. We can have multiple team members syncing into your Google Calendar, and you can set that up in multiple settings to work on how you want to configure your sales team or your sales process. There's snapshots built into here, so you can have a snapshot for salons, for dental, vets, coaches, you name it. There's a snapshot for pretty much every industry already built in. Reputation management. I really love the contact, the way that this is laid out compared to Keep and other platforms where it's just super easy to use. You can save what we call smart lists. So it makes it much easier to jump into these different smart lists. You don't have to go through and save searches and all that. It's just completely built into these tabs. Funnel and website builders, which is, I mean, if you look at ClickFunnels, or you add all of these other tools like ClickFunnels and Appointment Core and Calendly, and you can even build your course in here. So you're saving on all of your monthly fees and bringing it into one platform. You don't have to have complicated APIs that are connecting and talking and Zapier and all those different things. So I know that was fast and I was talking really quickly. I just wanted to give you a bit of an understanding of the features and how it compares to other CRMs like Keep or Infusionsoft or Pipedrive, which we're going to go into in a lot more detail. So I want to keep that short and sweet. And if you've got any questions or want a free demo or a free 30-day trial or anything, just let me know and I'll definitely assist you in setting that all up for you.